There are various different methods of cutting the internal mitres. However, experience has shown that the following will produce the most consistent and accurate finish. Fold the floor into the corner to create a butterfly shape, pushing in the base to meet the junction of the cove former. The point at which you cut to is crucial to the success of the mitre. To find this point, make sure the tops of the two edges of the material are parallel, and the point where they meet is the point you need to cut to. Make a small cut at the base of the mitre. You now need to turn the knife around and make the cut to the top of the material where the two parallel edges meet. Once the cut has been made, fold in one side and cut away the excess until you have a perfect fit. Then repeat this on the other side. To fit the external mitre, cut the material down to the top of the cove former, in line with the corner of the wall. Then continue cutting the floor at a 45-degree angle, following the mitre of the cove former. Remove excess floor in preparation for placement of the fill-out piece of floor. When cutting the floor in preparation for the cut-out piece, ensure that a small radius is left. Continue to cut out the front of the mitre to remove waste flooring. When you fit the make-out piece, take a separate piece of Altro safety floor coated with contact adhesive. Place this into position and cut in the back mitre. It is important to cut between the wall and the Altro safety floor that you have already fitted, as this will form a natural V-section to take the weld.